Part 4. Directions. You will hear some talks given by a single speaker. You will be asked to answer 3 questions about what the speaker says in each talk. Select the best response to each question and mark the letter A, B, C, or D on your answer sheet. The talks will not be printed in your test book and will be spoken only one time. Questions 71 through 73 refer to the following telephone message.
Hi, this is Alexei from Petrov Roofing Company. I just heard back from my supplier. Unfortunately, the estimate I gave you yesterday for the new roof shingles was a little low. The ones you chose are actually $39 per bundle. That's more than what I quoted. So I just wanted to get your approval for this new price before I put in the order. And I recommend that we order soon, since the rainy season's only a month away. Once the rain starts, it'll take more time to install the new roof.
Number 71. Where does the speaker work? Number 72. What information was incorrect? Number 73. Why does the speaker recommend placing an order soon? Questions 74 through 76 refer to the following talk.
Thanks for attending today's seminar for new real estate agents. As people just joining the industry, it's very important that you learn how to create a memorable property advertisement. The way you describe a house or apartment can determine how quickly the property sells. I've invited a guest speaker to discuss this very point. In-Suk Lee has recently won our county's Agent of the Year award, and she attributes her success in large part to the fact that she has mastered the art of writing a great description. In-Suk, welcome, and thank you for joining us today.
Number 74. Who are the listeners? Number 75. What does the speaker say the listeners should learn to do? Number 76. What does the speaker mention about In-Suk Lee? Questions 77 through 79 refer to the following broadcast.
In local news, town officials are ready to take action on the untimely degradation of some of our town's main roads. Since the Belleville shopping mall opened last January, there has been significantly more traffic on the streets leading to the mall. City officials have received numerous complaints from citizens about large cracks and potholes in the roads, which can be damaging to cars. The City Council has invited a few concrete engineers to their next meeting, which will be open to the public. The engineers will share their expertise on the options available for upgrading our roads, and the City Council will vote on a budget for the project.
Number 77. What happened last January? Number 78. Why have some citizens complained? Number 79. Who has been invited to attend a city council meeting? Questions 80 through 82 refer to the following announcement.
Thank you for coming to this short meeting for all residents of Atrium Apartment Complex. Our power provider, Crudson Energy Company, will be updating the electrical equipment in all units starting next week. This update is to improve the energy efficiency in our buildings. Please be warned that there will be intermittent power failures while work is being done. If you work from home and need alternate space to work during power failures, you're free to use the apartment complex clubhouse. We'll make sure there's power there at all times.
Number 80. What is the purpose of an equipment update? Number 81. What are the listeners warned about? Number 82. What are some listeners encouraged to do? Go on to the next page. Questions 83 through 85 refer to the following speech.
Hello. As your Senior Vice President of Product Development, it has been a privilege leading this team over the past several decades. As you may have heard, I will be ending my time with the company next month. Now, when I shared this news with a few of you individually, there were some concerns about the future of the team under new leadership. Frankly, that surprised me. I mean, look around the room. There are a lot of talented people in this group. In fact, I should take this opportunity to thank you all for our collective success.
Number 83. Who is the speaker? Number 84. What is the speaker mainly discussing? Number 85. Why does the speaker say,
There are a lot of talented people in this group.
Questions 86 through 88 refer to the following telephone message.
Hello, Ms. Schultz. This is Yuri Fedorov, calling from our downtown store. I was just going over the checklist that you gave us. We've already done most of the things you've asked us to do in preparation for our outdoor sale, but there's a bit of a problem. You wanted us to rope off the parking spaces in front of the shop after we closed today, so we can set up tables there tomorrow morning. Well, it's 8:15, and there are 3 cars parked there now. Please give me a call back as soon as you can.
Number 86. Who is the speaker most likely calling? Number 87. What will take place tomorrow? Number 88. What does the speaker mean when he says,
There are 3 cars parked there now.
Questions 89 through 91 refer to the following talk.
We'll be rolling out some changes starting next week. When customers call the service number, they'll be prompted to say which department they're trying to reach, and then voice recognition software will direct their call automatically. I'm sure most of you have experiences of your own calling customer service hotlines that utilize this kind of system. Usually it works, but it can be frustrating when it doesn't. Some customers might be upset with you if they were unable to reach the right department quickly. If this happens to you, please summarize the exchange in writing. I'll give the feedback to the programmers so they can make improvements to the program accordingly.
Number 89. What change does the speaker announce? Number 90. Who most likely are the listeners? Number 91. What does the speaker ask the listeners to do? Questions 92 through 94 refer to the following speech.
Welcome to the booth for Pandru Technologies. I hope you're enjoying today's trade show. Let me tell you about the software we released last month. It's designed to make your factory's production cycle more efficient. How? Well, as you know, if a machine in an assembly line malfunctions, it can trigger significant downtime. Pandru's software continuously gathers and processes data from each machine, so issues can be diagnosed faster. Yes, there are other software programs on the market that perform similar tasks, but they're complicated and require hours of training. Consider this about Pandru's. The manual's just 15 pages long.
Number 92. What is the speaker promoting? Number 93. What industry do the listeners most likely work in? Number 94. What does the speaker mean when he says,
The manual's just 15 pages long?
Questions 95 through 97 refer to the following announcement and office layout.
I have an announcement for the team. We'll be making a big purchase, a top-of-the-line 3D printer. We've been outsourcing the work to a printing company, but it recently doubled its prices. We think it's time to have our own in-house printer. The only issue is size. The only space big enough for the new machine is the office next to the reception area. So we'll be rearranging our workspace. Jerome, I'm sorry, but you'll have to move. We hope you won't mind using the office in the corner across from the conference room.
Number 95. What is the speaker's company planning to purchase? Number 96. Why has the company decided to make the purchase? Number 97. Look at the graphic. Where will Jerome move to? Questions 98 through 100 refer to the following telephone message and order form.
Hi, Amy. This is Paul Baxter from the manufacturing team. Listen, I made a mistake in the order form I left on your desk earlier today. I actually only need 10 pairs of safety goggles for my team on the assembly floor. Hopefully you get this message before you submit the order. Oh, and by the way, when you place the order, could you add my email address to the notification list so I know when everything's scheduled to arrive? It's paul.baxter@allymanufacturing.com. Thanks.
Number 98. Where does the speaker most likely work? Number 99. Look at the graphic. Which number does the speaker want to change? Number 100. What information would the speaker like added to a list? This is the end of the listening test.